News Corp columnist Miranda Devine has not responded to a defamation claim brought against her by 9-year-old Indigenous boy Quaden Bayles and did not brief a lawyer to attend court, the federal court has heard. Quaden, who is achondroplasia dwarfism, is suing Devine for defamation over a series of tweets from her Twitter account in February this year that raised questions about whether a viral video in which he cried after being bullied at school was a scam to make money. The case was brought on his behalf by his mother Yaraka, who is also suing Devine, in her own right, for suggesting she coached Quaden. At a preliminary hearing on Thursday, the family's barrister, Sue Chrysanthu, told the federal court Devine unfortunately had not acknowledged the claim. "We have received absolutely no response," Ms. Chrysanthu said. Unusually for her, she has been silent. Quaden and Yaraka are also suing Nationwide News, the publisher of the Daily Telegraph, alleging the company is Devine employer and is responsible for the tweets. Devine, a columnist at the Telegraph in Sydney, is on secondment at the New York Post. Legal questions arose on Thursday about the identity of Devine employer while she is working in the U.S. The court heard Devine was formerly solely employed by Nationwide News before she went to the U.S., but a second company, News America, may now be involved. Ashurst partner Robert Todd, acting solely for Nationwide News and not Devine, told the court the company's position was that the tweets were private and unrelated to material it published. He said he had not been instructed to accept service of legal documents on behalf of Devine. Ms. Chrysanthu said it appeared the company will not accept liability for Devine. At the center of the defamation case is a February 21 tweet by Devine, in which she retweeted a claim from a U.S. Twitter user that Quaden was an Australian actor whose mom posted a fake sobbing video of him that reaped $300,000 in donations. In a comment above the retweet, Devine wrote, "That's really rotten if this was a scam. Hurts genuine bullying victims." Over to @Daily Telegraph. Another user thanked Devine for finding out the truth, saying, "I just can't grasp how truly evil this is." Devine replied, "And coaching the kid to say those things that no 9-year-old would say." The same user replied, "It's a crime if it is a scam. Child abuse. How could any parent do this?" Devine replied, "Yep. Exactly." On the case. In the wake of the video, U.S. comedian Brad Williams, who also has dwarfism, set up a GoFundMe page to fund a trip to Disneyland for Quaden and Yaraka. The family declined to take the trip. Ms. Chrysanthu said the highly defamatory tweets accused her clients of fraud. She said Devine used her profile and popularity to give a tweet by a third party huge airtime. The parties returned to court at a later date.